My name is Marian. I live here in Bucharest. I am married to a gorgeous interface. She basically forces me into doing anything she says. I am the proud father of 2 child components, let's say. They have access to all my protected properties. So I'm an excellent software developer, but I cannot prove it right now because I'll talk about my ancestors, the Roma people. So who are the Roma people? Our origin is in northern India. We're an ethnic group, but in modern times we live basically in all the continents except Antarctica. We celebrate our International Day on April 8th. Officially declared in 1990 in Poland as a tribute to the first major international meeting in London in 1971. Wow, my voice. So today we're an estimate about 12 to 15 million Romani. We are different groups. We identify ourselves based on language and professions. So where do Roma came from? As I said, from northern India, then to Persia, Armenia, Byzantine Empire, and later on to Greece. They began to live about 1,000 years ago, probably because of the invasion of an Afghan general named Mahmud of Ghazni. One interesting fact, a speaker actually it was the Minister of External Affairs of India that said that the Romani people are the children of India. And luckily this could lead to citizenship. This is our flag. The blue is for skies and spiritual values. The green is for land. And the wheel is acknowledges the historical ties to India. It's called Dharma Chakra, or the wheel of law. This is some of the groups by professions in Romania. These are their titles in Romanian. I'm the third category. I'm a tiner, or spăitor in Romania. When they first arrived in Europe, they kept many of their traditions, like performing arts, metalworking, sculpture, jewelry, and they're often recognized as great musicians or dancers. For example, Romani music influenced jazz music, bolero, flamenco, including classical composers like Franz Liszt. So, is it okay to call me gypsy or țigan? The short answer is no, and I'll explain why. The Greek term Athinganos, meaning untouchable, derived into many versions of țigan or zigoiner, zingaro. And it means something dirty or something gross. The term gypsy comes from the Greek word Egyptios and derived into gypsy, gitano, gitan. And the Europeans assumed that we were Egyptians, and many of us, including me, believe that this is a wrong term because it perpetuates misinformation about our origins. Sad facts. In the Middle Ages, Vlad the Impaler, or Dracula, as you might know him, captured more than 10,000 Bulgarian Romani, sent them to Romanian slaves. In the 1700s, many countries deported Romani slaves to basically all their colonies. The Romani people were victims of the Holocaust. About 1.5 million Romani died during that time. We remember that period as O Poraimos, is in my dialect, or the Great Devouring. And some internal issues, arranged marriages among minors still exist. Some of the fun facts. These are some borrowed words from English words borrowed from Romani. Chav, we pronounce it chow. Pal, meaning pral, brother. Gibberish is from chib, language or tongue. Lollipop. Yeah, this is actually my favorite dessert from my childhood. Okay? And some of the celebrities of Romani origin, they might not be like 100% Romani, but they have their mother or their father or their grandfather. Michael Caine, Charlie Chaplin, Elvis Presley, and Pablo Picasso. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.